Hello YouTube, I've got an unboxing for you. This is my new phone. It is the Acer Liquid E2 Duo, and yeah, I haven't seen many unboxing on YouTube in English. A lot of them seem to be European unboxings, so hopefully you guys will find this helpful, because I was trolling through YouTube every day trying to find some good unboxing videos of this handset. So let's get to it. Going to attempt to open it with a nail file. Yep, don't use a nail file. Oh, that's a very small box. Oh, so that's quite a compact box actually. That's very nice. And I also have got a separate USB charger. Looks like you don't get one in the box, but I'm not really bothered because I've got quite a few USB chargers. But that looks like a generic USB charger. I'll leave that in the box there. And yeah, so I purchased this handset from expansies.com, expansies.co.uk, and it cost me, get this out of the way, it cost me £180, and that's really not a bad price for a brand new SIM-free, no carrier branding, completely unlocked Android phone running virtually stock Android. It's got a Mediatek 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, a 4.5-inch QHD display with IPS display. It's got dual speakers, 8-megapixel camera with a flash, and just all that goodness for £180. So check it out, expansies.com. They do one in black and white. I've got the one in black here. Let's just go around the box. So we've got Acer Liquid E2 mentioned there. We've got a picture of the handset. Got dual stereo speakers on the back. On your side you've got Acer Liquid mentioned there. You've just got a little sticker here. Now on the back, let's look at some of these specs. Struggling to focus. There you go. So it's running Android 4.2 Jelly Bean out of the box. That's fantastic. So that's the processor there. It's the Mediatek MT6589 quad-core 1.2, 4 GB of ROM, 1 GB RAM, 2 megapixel front-facing camera, Wi-Fi, BGNN. It says it's got some noise cancelling microphones. That's interesting. Yes, and it's got a micro SD card. It's got a removable back cover. There's the battery there. Yes, all that good stuff. Let's get to see that quickly. 4.5 quad core, dual speakers, DTS sound, and Jelly Bean. Fantastic. I'm really pleased with the price, but it is a very mid-range device. I take some comfort it's made by Acer. But to be honest, for 180 I can't really complain. If it lasts me 2 years, I'm very happy. Let's open the seal. Got the one on top. As you go there, we've got the handset right on top. Let's put that to one side. Let's look what we get inside the box. Fairly neat, tidy packaging. Let's look at the manuals. You get a safety information manual there. Something. Warranty guide, and there's a quick start guide in black and white. Anyway, enough of that. In the box we get your micro USB. It's getting fairly standard and universal now for using smartphones. There's the headphone you get with it. Noise cancelling supposedly. I find that very hard to believe, but to be honest, don't really care. Look at them. I guess they'll do if you want to make hands-free phone calls. You have a push button there and a inline mic there. 3.5mm jack and a little clip, but I wouldn't use these. Just given a pair of headphones for the sake of it. There's your battery, which is I think it's 2000 milliamp hour. It looks a very wide battery. Oof. My back is aching, and that is. Oops. Come on, boys. If you can see there, just about it says 2000 milliamp hour battery. Put that to one side, and it does come with an adapter, but it is now I don't know if this is European. I know they use these in the Middle East and India and places like that, but I can see why they gave me the UK adapter. It's a generic one because that is unsuitable in the UK for the UK use. Anyway, let's put all that back inside the box. Headphones and all that jazz. We don't need any of that. And let's have a look at the handset. I'm so excited to finally have a new phone. I was due an upgrade. It's got a good weight to it, and I haven't even put the battery in, but the front section definitely feels a bit hollow at the moment in the back because I don't have the battery, but it's got a good feel to it. I like that. Let's pry open the back cover. And yes, you've got 2 SIM card slots there. Just SIM 1 and SIM 2. You've got an option to put your micro SD card there. You've got 2 speakers, your camera, your flash. Put your second speaker on the bottom. Let's just stick the battery in. Goes in that way. And let's put the back cover back on. That's got a nice feel plus nice firm finish to the back. See how easy this is to put back. It's a nice fit to it. So in front you've got your 4.5-inch QHD display. So there's 1960 by 540 the resolution, and it's equivalent to 245 ppi, which is good enough for me because it's an upgrade from my old handset. You have a little red sort of insert there where your earphone is, and you can just about see a proximity sensor there, and your 2 megapixel front facing camera. You've got 3 touch sensitive capacitive buttons here. So it will be a home, back and menu button. And the bottom you've got the little notch to pry open the back cover open for your battery and SIM card. It's a micro USB connection there. On the side you have your volume rocker. It's got a reasonably good tactile feel. Yeah, it will do. I would say they're a bit thinner than I expected, but you just get used to it, can't really complain. On the top you've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, your power button, and on the side, I don't know if you can notice, the back is matte, but the side is I don't know if it's metal, I can't say, but it's like a shiny, dark finish all around the side. It's quite glossy. I don't know if it's metal. No, it's not metal. It's not metal. It's plastic. But I must say, it does feel pretty good in the hand. It doesn't feel cheap or nasty. There's no horrible creaks. That's shocking for what basically is a mid-range budget handset. You've got the Acer logo in the front. It's reasonably thin. I don't really understand why people want slim phones. You feel like you don't have anything in your pocket. But there's a mic there, either that's for video recording or noise cancelling, I don't know. There must be another microphone somewhere in the bottom. I'm not too sure. These metal grills, speaker grills, are metal, like I just said. You have a little screen protected thing going on here, but I don't want to take it off just yet. Anyway, that's just the unboxing video of the Acer Liquid E2. I'll just put everything back in its box. You get your micro USB, you get your noise cancelling headphones, apparently. Can't believe they really called it noise cancelling headphones. Your charger, all your manuals, and that's just your cover there. Don't know if you can see all that, but that has been the lengthy unboxing of my Acer Liquid E2. Please comment if you've got any requests or something particular you'd like to see about this phone. There isn't much coverage on this phone. I will try and upload maybe a few more videos just showing the interface and just maybe a general quick initial thoughts about the handset. I need to set it up now. Yes, thank you very much.